Hey guys, welcome back to the shop today. Today we're going to be working on the Regal again here. We're going to be basically just kind of working on getting everything ready for just kind of finishing up everything. We got our new gear set in. We went from 411s down to 355s. The 411s that I had, I bought when I really didn't know what was going on. I didn't really know much about starting line ratio and stuff like that. So when as we took it to the track, we found out we were running out of RPM and engine power at the end of a quarter mile. So I think the 411s are really going to help us out. The 488 cubic inch Olds that I have in here, that doesn't see anything over 6,000 RPM. She stops making power at 55, 56-ish, 100 RPM. She stops making power. So it's all down low. So I need the gear to kind of get me going through the rest of the quarter mile. We've been doing a lot of 8th mile lately. We've been hitting more quarter mile tracks, and we've been letting off because the rotating mass of the big block is just going to rip that thing in half if I would have revved it all the way through the quarter mile. So we're going to get some oil into this thing, finish topping up the fluids in the diff, get the tires back on it. The game plan is to get it back off the jack stands today. Once off the jack stands, we can kind of go over a little bit of a list of what needs to be done. Little things like just if there's anything that needs to be looked over, bolt checking oil, anything else we want to change, any wiring that needs to be fixed, anything kind of like that. So yeah, let's get to it, and we'll see if we can get this thing on its own wheels today. So I wanted to show you guys something, because I'm sure I'm not the only one who's done this. I was sitting here trying to open up my jug of gear oil, and they always got that paper seal. Now I probably spent half a minute of my life trying to peel that thing off, and I would not be able to get that off. So here's a little tip for you. You take these little caps that come on top of your on top of the nipple, the little squirter tip, and you just fire that thing in there and break it open. Little tech tip for you guys, because I feel stupid for how long that took me to open that bottle of gear oil. One thing I did want to show you guys is this. Now this is actually a part of my casing. We were going to be switching to 355s this year anyway, but when we pulled the pumpkin out, I was hoping to reuse this pumpkin. This is a factory style third member case. We started tearing it down, and saw a nice little crack sitting right there. That was for the pinion bearing. Yeah, it was kind of lucky we caught that. This thing was literally sitting loose in the case. So I mean, one pass or two more, and this thing would have just destroyed that diff. So I'm kind of glad we caught it. Kind of sucks that we had to add the cost of a case. I got a little bit of a stronger case. I think it's a nodular iron case. So yeah, we'll be a little bit ahead of the game there. So yeah, we're gonna just keep cracking at it here. I'll get some oil in the diff, and we'll start putting the tires on. So guys, I'm just cleaning up some tools right now. I just wanted to show you this beauty. Look at this. This hammer has been in the family for a while. We call her Bertha. She goes in the big drawer of the toolbox. And when you want to make something happen, this is the hammer you grab. And don't tell me that nobody has a tool like this in their shop. Everybody's got at least one. I'd love to hear what yours is. That tool has been a body hammer. It's been a holy something hammer. And usually once you use it, you kind of get that heck yeah buddy feeling. But yeah, I just figured I'd show that with you and let me know what kind of crazy oddball tools you got in your shop. Okay guys, so I got the oil all filled up, tires on, off the jack stands. I've been keeping a list of all the stuff that I still need to do, bolt check, checking oil. I want to do a compression test before we start the year. I didn't do one at the end of last season, which is what I should have done, just to make sure I don't have any dead cylinders or cylinders that are losing compression. Yeah, there's still a lot more to do. Stick with us. We'll keep at it here. I'm hoping to roll it out of the shop here soon. Weather has been kind of all over the place. Thought we had spring, and then we got snow, and then we got rain, and we got snow again, and then we got spring again, and now it's raining again. So can't really seem to make up its mind. I definitely need to give this guy a bath. It's been sitting in the shop for too long already. Yeah, if you've enjoyed what you've seen so far, please subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment. I'd love to see kind of who's all watching and what their thoughts are, or anything that you think I should be doing with the car. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video. Subscribe. See ya.